Buongiorno, my friend. Welcome to Enzo's Kitchen, and today we're gonna do something quick. I fancy something nice, something that my mother used to do all the time. And as Italian, funny enough, we have this pasta at midnight. If we want to have like a snack, midnight snack, that's the pasta we're gonna do. The Italian know what I'm talking about. It's pasta aglio, olio, e peperoncino. There is a different variety of doing it. Everyone does his own way, and this is my way, my version of spaghetti aglio olio e peperoncino. And the ingredients are garlic, parsley, and chili. So I like dry chili. Some people use just fresh chili, but I don't like the flavor of the peppers flavor into my aglio olio peperoncino. So garlic, this is where is crush it, take it off the outside, and if you want to be more fussy, just open up in the middle here, you see, and take it off the soul. We call this the soul of the garlic, which is the one that it makes you hard to digest, and it gives you the smell. So again, 2 are enough for one dish, maybe 1, depends the size of the garlic. Don't overdo in garlic, and make sure that you cut it quite small. Okay, so look at that, you see, small piece. You have to be rough, it doesn't have to be all even. Look, you see, it's a lot of finer than just normal. So extra virgin olive oil, this is a key ingredient. So the pasta is boiling, 100 grams, 120 grams of pasta, put in, just wait that it becomes a bit soft in there, and voila, it's in. Push in if you have to, and again, when you put the pasta in, the water, it cools down. So what you do, you cover it up, so it gives enough time to separate the pasta one from another, so they don't stick together. So remember, boiling water, the bubbles don't make stick the pasta. Okay, look, make sure that you put the garlic. I say 1 clove is enough. Okay, look the garlic. Make sure that it's all covered in oil, and it becomes all this golden color that the gold liquid, the oil, extra virgin olive oil, gives to this dish. Okay, at this stage, chili and parsley. But make sure that when you fry just for 30 seconds, then you start to add the pasta water. Pasta water, some of mixed herb. I like to have my mixed herb into my pasta aglio olio peperoncino, and also it's not all the time that I put, but I like to have tomato, cherry tomato in my pasta aglio peperoncino. It gives the sweetness, it gives the freshness, and I think it's lighter than a normal pasta with aglio olio peperoncino. Just a few, yeah, just for cherry tomato. Let's cook with it. There we are. Yeah, look at that. This nice, gives it a freshness. The pasta should be nearly ready. There we are. Look at that. Yeah, sizzling away. Oh, look at that. I like the smell. The garlic is coming through Oh, the mixed herbs is a great dish, and really try and make sure that you use the pasta water. Pasta water is the glue, and it stops overcooking the garlic. It just fits all together. It makes the pasta being the top one ever. Let's try it. Yes. Okay, magnifico. Put the pasta into the sauce. There we are. And simple. Just tossing around. I need my very special extra virgin olive oil. This is the best. And use the best for this pasta. The best oil ever is what you need. Just at the end of it, put some oil and ready to use it. Here we are. Look at that. That's beautiful. Beef pasta with aglio olio peperoncino. Ladies and gentlemen, the perfect pasta aglio olio e peperoncino is great for you any time of the day. You will enjoy it. Please do it anytime. If you like this video, click in my channel and subscribe it. And let me know if you got anything to ask me. I'll be there to answer to you anything you want to know. Enjoy your pasta with aglio olio e peperoncino. Ciao!